So this is a Restore 10X system that we're going to encapsulate coming in spring of 2022. Peeling Restore 10X. Right now, I'm likely the most experienced deck restoration painter as far as encapsulating Peeling Restore 10X. Probably on the planet. I think I've done more of these than anybody. So most people, it's about removal of all of this before they do the restoration and painting, right? Which is an ungodly amount of work. But what's cool about Kong is that we can actually encapsulate all of this after preparation. So stand by for that. That's going to be neat. This is going to be a cool project this spring. You can see where this stuff, it's almost like a lava rock type coating. Crazy, absurd texture, and it's very hard to get rid of. And for whatever reason, on this deck system, right here at the line, it's all failed from here down very, very, very much. I don't know if that's like a water situation or something, and maybe it just never had good adhesion from there down. Here up, not so much, but this is going to be a neat deal. I'm excited about this project. This is another Restore 10X encapsulation. So I did one in early spring of last year. We had a Restore 10X encapsulation, and they were ecstatic. They were ecstatic with the finish and how it turned out. Because Kong's so thick, it has the ability to take away some of that ugly texture, right? With these encapsulations, without removing it all off of the floor, and we'll have to see how much of it comes up there. It could be a great deal of it, which I suspect a lot of it will come up, and it may not be. But depending on how much of it comes up, there'll be a little bit of that texture that remains for them, but it'll all be encapsulated under the Kong system, and it'll feel a lot better on their feet, right? So it'll feel a lot better. It won't be so hard and coarse and feel like lava. And from where they are with this ugly coating system peeling on their deck, to have a little bit of surface texture that remains is not that bad of a deal, considering they're facing down full-blown gut down of their deck and rebuild of it, which is very expensive. So spring 2022 is off to a great start. Listen, we had 20 winter price point slots at the beginning of the season. I have nowhere near that amount now. I think we got, he just deposited. He was like, dude, I want to do this. So I think maybe we got 12 left. We got 12 discounted slots for the start of spring that are left. All 8 of them have already been grabbed up in like a week and a half, 2 weeks, right? Last year I gave away like 35, 40 of them, and it was way too much. So I limited it this year to 20. We got about 12 left. If you need deck restoration painting, deck rescue painting, encapsulation of peeling deck paint, this type of stuff, if you need to restore, coat, and protect your deck system, and you're looking for a lifetime deck coating system, deck armor system, kongarmor.com. Check it out.